On September 21, 2023, officers responded to a Michigan sporting goods store after loss prevention flagged a female subject removing security sensors from merchandise inside a fitting room. She was arrested before leaving the store and argued throughout that she had committed no crime because she never crossed the exit threshold. Under Michigan law, that argument has no legal basis.
So she had a bag, it's full, it's in her shopping cart.
Gotcha.
So, but then they just bought her a pair of cleats, and now she's overlooking inside her shorts. Well, there's no sensors on her soccer shorts, so she wouldn't be popping them over there.
Yeah.
But this was all.
Nobody went into nobody in. It was just.
Yeah.
You guys went.
Drinks? Yeah, so.
Everything when she actually left it all in there?
Well, she left some stuff in there. The other manager that was here was like, "Do you need me to get her other stuff?" And she was like, "Oh no, here it is." And handed her the one that they left the other stuff there, so then we went back in and got it all out.
Okay.
You guys want to sign? You guys want to? Do you have a value?
Not yet.
No, we haven't done it yet.
You get the value?
Yeah. And are you guys gonna sign?
I will, yeah. Like, this is the part I hate about my job.
It was just here.
We had the same thing.
We found him.
She's gonna get you the value now. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Just so you know, it's going to be over 200 or not?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay. All right, good.
Is it like concealed in there, like a book bag? She stuffed stuff in
Like a
there?
tote bag.
On the surveillance, would be able to see her putting this stuff in the bag.
It's in the fitting room.
Oh, okay.
But I guess the only thing you could see is coming in with a
With an empty
empty
bag.
bag and then leaving with a full bag. She
Gotcha.
had
Like magic, it became full.
Chimel, white shirt.
Yeah, the blonde.
With the ponytail. Okay.
Yeah.
And all those shirts have tag sensors on them before they go into the...
Yeah. Most things do. There's some things that don't require to have sensors, but most things do.
Everything that was supposed to have a sensor on them that was in there was popped.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had her earlier. She had a bag. She left it over here. Just $600-some.
And was she popping the tags too?
No, she just left her bag.
She
And
gets
she
concealed.
got mad and
Yeah.
So
dropped
she
the bag
brought
and
them,
walked
it
out.
was in there. It was in there for a prolonged period of time. Exited, handed the clothes to the associates. So when she handed the clothing to the associates, the sensors were removed and they were in the pockets. And then that's not how they went in there.
Yeah.
So that's enough for us. I just want to
Perfect.
there you go. We'll take care. We'll come back to you. So we'll take her out. And then we'll be able to find it.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Sorry.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hi, how are you?
We gotta talk to you about something.
What?
We know you're
Shopping?
taking sensors off shit. All
Right,
right?
take
We
I
know.
have stuff that I'm buying all year.
So listen.
I have
Look, don't reach
stuff
in your
that
bag,
I'm...
alright?
Alright, so
Miss, if you just turn around.
we're gonna take.
What? I'm
Miss, gonna be
buying
detained. Miss,
stuff.
gonna be detained.
I didn't even... Alright, let me put my jacket.
No.
You can leave this for now.
I didn't even leave the
Miss, you're just gonna be
store.
detained.
Remove
You
sensors
took
off of
the stuff.
merchandise.
I didn't leave... I could understand if I left the store if you charged me, but I didn't
can't
leave the store.
Yeah, so
Turn your
you
this way.
can't
Alright.
pull sensors off merchandise, even if you didn't leave the store
It
yet.
was... The couple of them were in the way, and some of them didn't have it.
You can't remove them.
Yeah, you're not allowed to
They're
do
on there for a
that.
security purpose.
Yeah, but I didn't leave, and it's in my bag to check out with. This is crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, can I go pay?
I mean, right now, we're not going to let you pay, but we're going to take all your personal stuff, and if they want to hold this on the side,
Is this theirs or yours?
I'm just gonna get that for my son first.
Okay. So this is theirs?
Yeah, see, but
nothing
this is my thing.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like
No,
this
just
is illegal because
it's not illegal, right? 'Cause you can't
I
go
didn't
into-
leave the store. I'm
You
just
don't
gonna
have to-
buy
You don't
it.
have to
You
leave
don't
the
have to
store
The
in
guy
order for
will
it to
help
hold.
me,
Let him explain.
Hold on.
Hold
Bring
on.
it.
Yeah.
but I'm like
Hold on.
getting
Danielle,
real frustrated.
listen.
Hold on.
Listen.
Hold on. Listen. So
I
yeah,
don't want
if
to go
you
to jail. I mean,
listen, I'm
or
not
get
saying
in
anything
trouble.
about. Listen,
Like,
stop.
I'm handcuffed.
Hold on. Yeah, you're right.
It's a
If you
store.
walk out of the store with merchandise you didn't pay for,
Yeah, and I
you
get
get
walked
arrested,
out.
right? Also, if you remove sensors without leaving the store, if you literally remove a sensor from a product,
I didn't
that's
know
considered a
that.
shoplifting charge.
But I didn't shoplift. I was gonna go front.
It's
to
still
pay
the same.
for it.
It's still
It's
the same
part of the
thing.
statute.
I
Removing a
didn't- but I
sensor
didn't
or
know
any type
that.
of security device.
But the
I couldn't put them on properly without it.
You
I
can.
mean, look at my butt. Trying to get an extra, no offense,
Really?
but trying to get an extra small
Look at my
one.
butt. Try getting in these, all right? So, listen, I get
No.
it, all right?
I
Seriously.
think you got your beat.
Some of them didn't even have them on.
They're on there. You can get anything on.
Okay.
And if you can't get them on, you're supposed to go to the
And then
associate.
there's
You
tags.
can't
Yeah.
remove them. Yeah,
There's
listen.
tags
that's
in,
fine.
no,
This
like
is
in
good.
the tag. No, I want to
That's
show you
good.
something. No, I'm
That's
showing you
good.
something. Look.
This is yours.
Here, yes, let me grab
And this
that.
is your
That's
jacket,
mine.
too?
Can I show you something?
Yeah.
Grab this. I want to show you something.
We can see it.
Or hold on. Alright, normally there's a tag in a shirt.
Mm-hmm.
There's always an electronic thing inside of there.
Okay.
So whether a tag is off or not, it's still going to go off from that.
Well, you're not allowed to
Okay.
remove tags. You understand that?
It's the-
That's
I didn't know that
that's the
was
end all
law.
be all.
I thought if I left, that's
Oh,
the
you-
stuff I was going to buy.
Look, so the tags are not a suggestion, all right? You can't remove them.
Let's,
But not all of them have.
do you have anything on you? Concealed anything like that? Do you have anything in your shoes? We just
No,
have to-
my phone is.
I got your phone. I
we're
put it
not
in
going to
here.
leave your personal products here.
Do I have to like
All
go?
right. Do you have anything else that's
Yeah,
yours
come
in
down.
this? This is your
I
empty
don't
tool
know.
bag. All right.
I don't know. Empty it out. I was going to buy that stuff. I don't think I have. Did you grab my jacket? It was a Puma
Yeah.
one.
Puma one's right inside with your phone.
This is ridiculous. Like, I don't want to get in trouble for this. Like, I understand if I walked out of the store. You know what I mean?
It's
I didn't walk out.
yeah, but that's not why we're
Yeah.
not why we're in this situation.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if you walk out or
And
not, is what we're saying.
most of them didn't have it on it anyway.
They all like
No, I
anything-
promise you, not all of them
anything
did.
that had it was removed and in the pockets of the item that it was removed from.
Not by me. I didn't
just telling
remove
you.
all of them. I removed 2.
Oh, you removed two. Okay.
Yeah, off the pants so I could fit them.
Michigan compiled laws. Section 750.356C defines retail fraud in the first degree as concealing unpurchased merchandise or removing any device used to prevent theft. Exit from the store is not an element of the offense. Section 750.360 reinforces this directly. Concealment of unpurchased merchandise in a container constitutes prima facie evidence of intent to commit retail fraud. The moment those sensors were removed, the offense was legally complete. The warrantless arrest was lawful under Michigan compiled laws section 764.15. Officers had established probable cause on 4 independent grounds: loss prevention testimony, surveillance footage, physical sensor evidence, and the subject's own partial admission. Any one of those grounds may have been sufficient. Together, they satisfy the totality of circumstances standard established in Illinois v. Gates in 1983. A procedural flag, the subject made self-incriminating statements after handcuffing. Under Miranda v. Arizona in 1966, custodial interrogation requires a rights advisement. Those admissions were cumulative of physical evidence, but the Miranda timing gap was a correctable vulnerability. The search of the subject's bag was lawful incident to arrest under Chimel v. California in 1969, which authorizes search of an arrestee and the area within their immediate control. That search recovered additional concealed merchandise.
Yeah, that's mine.
Well, this is all hasn't been purchased yet. This is all.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Yeah, no, I know.
I mean, that's the freaking craziest part. I was gonna pay for this shit. I didn't leave the store. So what? I'm getting a shoplifting charge when I'm
It's
getting shoplift?
not. Yeah, I don't. I think you're missing like what I'm saying.
Do I have to get down to the station
Yes.
and all that? Like,
It's
and I'm gonna get a charge?
it's not because you like physically removed the product out of the store.
I've never
You didn't
heard
do
of
that.
this in my life.
It's because you removed sensors off a product. You can't.
To buy. Who's gonna
That's
buy 'em?
not your. That's not for you to determine and for you to do. That's for
And
them to
there's
take.
even stuff in the tags. Inside the tag of a shirt.
So how was this inside your bag?
Oh, I forgot about that one.
Oh, you forgot about it? Okay.
Yeah, so even in here, there's stuff.
Yeah.
That'll go off.
I know.
Do you have anything sharp in your bag I could pull?
No.
You ever been arrested before?
No, that's
Never
not.
been arrested.
No.
So your history is
no.
crystal clear.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mantua, originally.
What are you doing up here?
Well, I was
Living up-
taking my CNA test. Did CNA, phlebotomy, CMA.
You living up here now?
No.
Still in?
I was going to take the PSI test. Right over in those buildings down there, real confusing.
Officer.
I'm not trying to get a shoplifting charge. And yeah, when I was trying stuff on, I put stuff on top of my bag, in that bag. That's my daughter's. I'm giving it to the gas attendant at the Wawa who helps me out a lot.
That's your daughter's and you're giving it to gas?
Yeah, his name's Terrence. He gives me free gas sometimes. He helps me out. He's a good guy.
Look at the brand of them. Where are they going to come from? Dick's Sporting Goods?
Another store?
No.
You say
No.
so.
Good.
Can you push him in more? Because he really wanted them. He did. I mean, I can't. I'm
That's
trying to
her
make
bag.
my career and all that. Like, this is.
He's got to walk you out.
I swear to God, I'm not going
I
nowhere.
don't-
This
it
is
doesn't-
embarrassing. This is mortifying.
I mean,
Please,
you got.
I'm not going nowhere.
Listen, we didn't put you in this spot, right?
I didn't put myself in the spot either. I didn't leave the store.
Didn't you just say that you popped off tags? You just said you did.
Yeah, but I didn't know
You don't
that
have
was
to
a
leave
crime.
the
I
store.
didn't leave the store.
Okay, just because you don't know something's a crime doesn't mean it's not a crime. You still can get punished for it. All right?
Well, is there a rule book? Does it say it on there?
There is, yes.
Where
in
does
fact.
it say? Does it say it on here?
That you
They
can't
can't
pop
take-
tags?
Yeah, I want to see it written on here.
You can do that as soon as you get released.
Oh.
Let's go over here.
Well, when will I be released?
Once we get everything situated, we'll talk about when we get to the station, all
Does she have
right?
ID in there?
Freaking
Yeah.
nuts. I've never heard of this shit in my life.
You ever been arrested before?
No.
Okay.
That's why,
I'm right over here.
I already know I'm in trouble.
We're not saying you're a bad person.
Alright, can you have me get off me? Because
He's got
I'm
a
embarrassed. I'm going to go right here. I'm
Hold on.
embarrassed.
Hold on. So
I don't want
just move
anybody
here.
to see
Right
me.
here
over.
so I can open the door. Okay?
Open the door.
I don't want anybody to see
Do you
me.
want to? You want to?
Do you want to?
She's. Do you have anything? You don't have anything concealed.
No. Why would I?
Because people conceal all types of stuff on themselves.
No. I'm not wearing underwear if you want to check.
No, I don't
No,
want
we
to check.
don't
No,
want to
thank
check.
you.
Alright, just gonna pat down your shoes, alright?
Take them off.
Take them off.
Ain't nothing in there.
Alright.
You got a car here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's no kids in your car or anything.
Nope. Oh shit, how am I gonna put them back on?
See, that's
I
why.
told you not to take them off.
Now we gotta put them back on.
No, I'll be good.
We're gonna go inside and handle whatever the rest is.
Alright.
Yeah, can you like talk to him? Because I was gonna pay for it. The guy was helping me. Shop.
Well, we're not.
They all were helping me shop.
You're not being charged with whatever was in your bag, like over here.
What do you mean?
That's whatever you were looking at.
Whatever you
Whatever was in
popped
your
inside.
cart. We're not concerned about that. You didn't do anything for that
Yeah,
stuff.
I did.
All right. I mean, it's all the stuff that has sensors removed and that you physically handed to the associate that had sensors off of it in the pockets that went in with stuff on. That you actually told him on camera that at least move 2. So if there's 2, there's 3, and 3.
Yeah,
there's
on
some.
the pants to move, so I can
you can't
get them on.
do that.
Yeah, but where does it say
Okay,
you can't
so
do
listen.
that?
I'm not gonna argue.
No, I know,
We'll go
but
down. We'll make
I've
this
never
quick.
heard of that in my life.
Yeah,
That's what
I'll
I'm
even
saying.
read you the statute when we get down there.
Yeah, but like nobody gets a statue set in
Well-
the mail. You know what I mean?
No,
Do you?
just take a seat.
Why
and-
what?
Get a statue set in the
What's your
mail?
name? Your name?
Danielle.
Please take a seat.
Alright, just study it. Come on.
All right. Can I get my drink?
No,
No, you cannot.
we'll give you some water when you get inside.
How does this work?
Just sit right down.
Just sit down and we'll buckle
Sit
you.
back in. Sit back. Okay. Swing your legs in. Okay, here you go.
Do I get these off? Since I'm in
Yeah,
the
you'll
car?
get them off inside.
Inside.
In
I
the car,
know.
right?
Inside.
Inside what?
Inside the station. Real quick, I just want to get your ID.
I can't.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to keep them.
Where's
Your
her?
wallet should be.
You didn't see? No, like narcotics and stuff like that.
She had a bunch of prescription pills, but they were all like in her name.
That's good. That's what I want to hear. Where's your license?
I thought I saw
My
it.
car.
It's in your car. I thought I saw one in here.
It might be old.
That's fine. The old one's better than nothing. Yeah, she was pretty cooperative. We're just waiting.
Be able to once we get the update.
We just want to see her going in with the
see.
stuff, and then
You said the bag was empty. Just kind of that helps. Yeah.
she's like, yeah. She admitted to removing 2, which is I don't care. The mission's good enough for me, but she's like, how are you supposed to know? You're not supposed to do that. I'm 36 years old, and I've never thought it was okay to remove a security tag that in a store to put a product on.
Break it to make the ink go all over.
Yeah, you actually see yellow ink on the shirt. Yeah, like that was forcefully removed. But this is just the same thing yesterday. It's literally the same thing.
Can't fix stupid. It's my name.
What do you got? That's the new?
Yeah.
That's the new?
So total altogether.
Oh, so it's the 8 plus the 5.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
So that's
Alright, so both names together.
Thank you.
Okay.
So 104 now.
Yeah, 104, 140494. Yeah.
Yeah, and then change of season. Now I need sweats. Can't wear my shorts and t-shirt anymore.
Yeah.
I was asking him what time, because he was the one that was up
The
to
first saw her.
Yeah.
She was in the changing room.
He let her in there. Yeah, she was in that like a good half hour at
Okay.
least.
It's not easy to pull those tags, those sensors off.
No, we could hear them too.
You could hear 'em popping off.
Alrighty, let's see. I don't know. She was here a long time too. And like she was in the fitting room so long, I was like, maybe there's somebody else with her telling her that we're still standing there waiting.
Yeah.
But they said she came in by herself. Because we were joking that it was like, see there's Sean. We were joking that it was like 10 of, and he's supposed to leave, and the other person was in who dumped the bag. I'm like, great, now I gotta put in that case. So that every time he goes to leave, I have to do a case.
So that's all you have is her coming in?
Oh wait, there's no cameras by the fitting room.
Mm-hmm.
That's her, right?
Yeah, I know she had her
She did
jacket
have a
with
black
her.
jacket on, yeah.
So that's at 4:05.
So she entered at 4:05. Your associates found more merchandise in that cart that she had that had missing sensors, was that correct?
That was the
That was
the
the
extra
bill.
tag. I mean
Yeah.
the second receipt.
There's no cameras by the fitting room that I'm aware of.
There was one yesterday that
Well, there was one like in the Eagles section.
there's one in the Eagle section that
That's
yeah,
just,
that was the best one that he had.
that's just because that's the one he was frequenting.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was on the women's side, on the front one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know if there's a camera.
Because we can see the guy going in, but we just saw his car there.
Yeah.
So that's it for
Yeah,
her coming
that's
in.
For
And then cash register.
that was the camera that he should have shown us yesterday.
Yeah, that's the footwear.
Yeah.
I mean, she came over here, but she already
Was
had
it-
her stuff in the
Already had
bag,
her stuff in the
in
bag.
the cart by then.
Yeah, that's the one he
Yeah,
was
so
showing.
that's
That's crazy.
Yeah, she wasn't back there. I don't know that we're gonna see anything there because she that one must not work anymore. Yeah, and she wasn't over there. Cash office entrance. Yeah, there's nothing by that fitting room.
Alright. We'll handle it. Good?
Evidence.com.
First District 400 Hannaford Road, Chick-fil-A for a 10.2 solid holdup.
The total merchandise value exceeded $1,400, a legally critical figure. Below $1,000 is a misdemeanor. At $1,000 or above, the offense becomes retail fraud first degree, a felony, carrying up to 5 years imprisonment under Michigan compiled laws. Section 750.356C, officers receive an A-. The investigation was evidence-driven and legally sound at every decision point. Probable cause was established before contact. The arrest was authorized. The search was lawful. The applicable statute was correctly identified and explained to the subject in real time. The deduction reflects two issues. Miranda warnings were not administered at the point of handcuffing, and one officer's dismissive private remark reflects a professional standard that does not serve the institution well, regardless of a subject's conduct. The subject receives a D. The conduct was not impulsive. 30 minutes in a fitting room, sensors removed from multiple items concealed in clothing pockets. This reflected deliberate planning, not a momentary lapse in judgment. Her admissions collapsed under their own contradictions. She acknowledged removing sensors, then claimed they were already loose, then argued intent to pay, then attributed items to third parties. Each statement was inconsistent with the prior one and with the physical evidence. She was pursuing a healthcare certification the same day. A felony retail fraud conviction carries direct consequences for professional licensing in that field. She was charged and convicted. The grade reflects the severity of a record that was entirely self-inflicted. The key lesson: ignorance of the law is not a defense to criminal liability. Michigan retail fraud law is designed precisely to address in-store concealment. The belief that crossing the exit threshold is a required element has no basis in statute and has been consistently rejected by courts. The secondary lesson when confronted with overwhelming physical evidence escalating denials and shifting explanations: eliminate credibility with both investigators and prosecutors. Cooperation where legally advisable serves a subject's interests far better than contradiction. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.